Hi all, in this video we are going to look at Aomei Backupper application which will help to backup, sync and clone data on your device. First of all, the main things provided by this Aomei application is the backup, sync and clone. Backup option will allow you to backup the data. Sync option will allow you to automatically copy data from one folder to another. Lastly, cloning will allow you to clone your hard disk. And these are the main three things provided by this Aomei Backupper application. So let's look at the application. First of all, about the UI or interface of this application. It is very clean, minimal and modern looking, and the arrangement of UI is also very good, as the left side contain all the main function provided by this application, and on the right side contain all the sub things of these main parts as well as the description. Next, about the function, like I said, it provides three main functions. So let's look at these three functions. First of all, about the backup option, it will help to backup our data. And if you look at the type of backup available on this Aomei Backupper application, you can find that it covers all our needs. So based on your need, choose the backup you like. After choosing the backup you like, next comes all the add-ons that will make this backup option little bit more useful. First one being, you can schedule the backup so that it will back up the data automatically without you needing to do things. Next, if you choose backup scheme, there is three options. First one being full backup, that is, it will back up the entire folder every time you backup, which will in turn increase the size of the backup, so I don't recommend it. And second one is the incremental backup. It will first do a full backup, then it will only back up the changes that you made to the files and folder that are backing up. This one will consume less space, but the problem with this one is that if one of the incremental backup is corrupted, then subsequent backup cannot be used. Then lastly, there is differential backup, which is only available for Pro version. First, it will do the full backup, then it will only back up the changes that you made. And the difference between this incremental and differential is that on incremental, subsequent backup will only contain the changes that you made after the last incremental backup. While on the differential backup, it will contain the full changes that you made after that full backup. Unlike incremental backup, where if one of the backup is corrupted, the subsequent backup cannot be used. In differential backup, if one of the backup is corrupted, you can still use the subsequent backup. Then there is the automatic deletion option, which is only available for Pro version. But the thing is that if you got the Pro version, you can automatically delete the backup that you don't need. So by using the scheduling and automatic deletion, you can completely automate this backup process so that you will have the set number of backup of the things that you need to backup. Basically, after backup is completed, you can restore the backup completely, or you can explore the backup, and even you can restore only the files that you require from this backup. Next one is the sync option. Sync option will allow you to copy all files from one folder to another folder. And the thing that makes this sync function interesting from the regular copy and paste is that it will automate the process if you automate using schedule option. And secondly, there is different types of sync option available on this Aomei Backupper application based on your needs, and all these things will improve your workflow. And lastly, there is the clone option. There is three types of cloning. One being the system clone, which will help to clone your entire system OS to another hard disk. Second one being the disk clone, where it will help to clone your hard disk. And lastly, there is partition clone, which will help to clone partition of a disk to another location. As far as I tested, cloning works without any problem, but on system clone, I never got the success. It cloned every data, but it couldn't move the OS to new partition, as the EF5 partition required for booting is not correctly created by this application. So if you're getting this Aomei Backupper application to do the system clone, I don't prefer you guys to do that because you won't find success as I didn't. So that's it. That's all about this Aomei Backupper application. Even the free version of this application is a powerhouse, and if you want to take it up a notch, you can get the Pro version. But if you are getting this Aomei Backupper for cloning the system partition, as I never find success, so I don't recommend for you guys to get this application for that purpose. So that's it. That's all about this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.